You have the Kyocera Cadence Flip Phone. This is the S2720. Looks like this, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You go to unlock it, and you've forgotten your PIN. So the good news is we can fix it. The bad news is we have to factory reset the device. So there are two ways to do it. Let's get into the first one. The first one, I'll give you the example. You just have to enter the password wrong 10 times. 9 out of 10 attempts remain till phone is reset. So if you enter the password incorrect or the PIN incorrectly 10 times, the phone will automatically reset for you. So you can go that strategy. The second way to do it, let's power off the device. Now with the device powered off, we're going to hold down volume down and power at the same time. Volume down and power. Hold, hold, hold. As soon as we see Kyocera, keep holding, let go of power or end button, and keep holding volume down. And we're waiting for the Android recovery menu right there. And there, with these center scroll buttons or with volume, you can choose the wipe data factory reset. And then you have to push OK. I think it's with this one. Yep. With the center, OK. And then wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Scroll down once for yes. Press center for OK. And we can wait for the data wipe to be complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. And that is how you reset your Kyocera Cadence Flip Phone if you've forgotten your PIN or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.